first thing we want to do is remove our dipstick. That's going to help the crankcase vent properly when draining our oil. Up next, using a 17mm socket, we'll remove the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. As the oil is draining, now is a good chance to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's damaged or missing, you'll want to replace it to prevent any future leaks. Now we'll reinstall the drain bolt, but this time we'll torque it to 13 foot-pounds. Using an 8mm socket, we'll remove the 3 bolts holding the oil filter cap in place. Take note that there's an arrow that's facing up when we go to reinstall it. Be careful with the spring and don't lose it, and then we'll simply remove our oil filter and install our new one. This filter has a rubber grommet that we need to push in towards the crankcase, and like I said before, have the arrow facing up. And then we reinstall our 3 8mm bolts. We just want to torque these good and snug is all. Don't over tighten them because you don't want to strip them out. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Kawasaki states that this unit holds 1.22 quarts of 10W40 motorcycle oil. You can use any brand, but make sure that it's motorcycle oil. We'll reinstall our dipstick and start the engine up. Let it idle for just a few moments. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system properly. Once it's done that, we'll shut the engine off and let it sit for a few more moments, and that's going to help us achieve an accurate oil level reading. Now we'll simply remove the dipstick and wipe off the excess oil, and simply place it on top of the threads and lift it back out. And this oil level looks perfect, so let's hit the trails.